Okay, now this is your English workbook. Okay, vocabulary page number 5, vocabulary, grammar and punctuation. Exercise number 10, use the words in the box to make compound noun, as we have already studied in our previous lecture about the compound nouns. So there are some compound nouns. These are the words cart, drive, foot, rest, foot, tea, truck and express. Okay, now as you can see here, some words are there: house, house, way, way, load, load, path and bridge. Okay, now you have choose the correct word from this box and write it in the correct blank. Like two words house are written here. Now choose the correct compound noun from there. Rest house and tea house. Okay, these are the correct compound words. Second is way. Okay, expressway and driveway. Next is load, truckload and cartload. Next is path and bridge. Okay, footpath and footbridge. Okay, now next is question number 11. Use words from exercise 10 to complete these sentences. It is safe to practice. Now you can select the correct words from these boxes and fill the blanks with the correct words. It is safe to practice cycling in the driveway. You can cycle along a footpath but not over a You can cycle along a footpath but not over a footbridge. Okay. C is you can push a dash of fruits. You can't push a dash of fruits. You can push a cartload of fruit, but you can't push a dash of fruits. Truckload of fruits. Like this, you can complete these blanks with the correct compound noun. Okay. Now read the story, add NESS, MENT to make nouns. Okay, these are abstract nouns. When you have an illness, you need to make an appointment. Okay, like this you can use these complete these sentences. Okay, now look here: amaze, amazement, good, goodness, pay, payment, kind, kindness. Okay, complete these. Now move to page number 6. Underline these punctuation rules about capital letters. Okay, now see first. Now A, don't use them for names of people. Okay, now exercise number 13, underline these punctuation rules about capital letters. There are some punctuation rules about the capital letter. Okay, if you use that rule, underline the word use, and if you don't use this for for the capital letter, you just underline the word don't use. Okay, now first A, don't use them for the names of the people. Okay, now we should capital the first letter of the names of people. So here is done for you, we use. Second is don't use them for days of the week. We use them for days of the week because we capitalize the letter of the first letter of the days of the week. Like when we write Monday, the M will be capital. Okay, so we underline the word use. Okay, now see this number C. You use, don't use them for times of the day, for example morning. Okay, we don't use them for the times of the day, for example morning. Okay, whenever we write morning in the center of the sentence, we cannot capitalize the first letter of the morning word. Okay, okay, or any times of the day, not even morning, afternoon or night or whatever. Okay, next is, so you underline the word don't use. Now D, you use, don't use them for seasons, for example winter. Whenever we write winter, autumn, any season name, we cannot capitalize the first letter of the seasons. Okay, so we write don't, you underline the word don't use. Okay, now E, you use, don't use them for months of the year. Okay, whenever we write the months of the year like January, February, March, April, we always start these names with the capital letters because these are the proper nouns. So we always use capital letters for the months of the year. Okay, now exercise number 14, rewrite the dialogue, use capital letters for proper nouns and at the beginning of sentence and questions. Okay, this example is done for, already done for you. When do you holidays, when do your holidays begin? Mona. Mona is the capital noun, so M will be capital. Whenever we start our sentence, first letter will be capital, so W is also capital. So only this happens. Now second sentence. On Thursday 28th May, Dadi. Okay, in this sentence starting word O will be capital. Okay, same Thursday, T will be capital because this is the days of the week and we use the punctuation of the capital letters. Okay, May is also a month of the year. Okay, we, M will be capital and Dadi is a proper noun, so we capitalize the letter of the first letter of the Dadi, D. Okay, so what O will be capital, T will be capital, M will be capital, and the D will be capital. And the third sentence. So, are you coming to Karachi? So, S will be capital and Karachi, place, proper noun, K will be capital. Okay. Now, next sentence. Yes, Dadi, later this summer. Yes, starting letter will be capital. Dadi is a proper noun, D will be capital. Later this summer. Whenever the sentence starts after the full stop, the first letter will be capital. So later is L will be capital because it starts after the full stop. Okay. Next is that for Auntie Fatima's wedding. I will be capital. Auntie of A of auntie will be capital. Fatma of F will be capital. Okay. Then last, yes, it's on Wednesday 17th July. First letter Y will be capital. I will be capital because it is start with after the full stop. This is the day of the week. W will be capital. This is the month. J will be capital. Okay, and you write this as this. Okay, this one you can all, using this procedure you can all these complete these sentences. Okay, now on come move to this page 15. Tell your classmate about your last holiday. Use these questions and writing frame to help you. Don't write yet. Okay, now what you can do, you can write a story in which you cover all these questions. Okay, create any story about you. When and where did you go? Okay, you may. Okay, now see this A. when and where did you go? Okay, this story can be visit to a zoo, visit to a Faisal mosque, visit to a Dadi's house, visit to a Mari, or you can mention any of your trip. Okay, answer all these questions regarding your trip, like when and where did you go, who did you go with, how did you travel, what did you do when you got there, what did you eat and drink there, what time did you arrive back home and why, what kind of a day was it. Same all these questions. Okay, and also complete these fill in the blanks with the correct words regarding your trip. Okay, this is all about today. Allah Hafiz.